Hello, my dear friends. I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well and you are doing well. Taking I have come a new video for you and you must watch to me. I hope you can gain well. My dear friends, in this video we are going to talk lot of us and I hope you can learn something well here and you must watch to me. I hope you can learn something well here, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, if you think that if you want to improve yourself and if you are thinking when we are going to speak the word don't come in my mind how we have to keep and how we have to spoke and how we can improve myself and how we can learn lot of us, my dear friend. Taking I have come all solution for your all problem. You must watch to me. If you want to improve yourself, first of all I am saying to you, you have to need know make up the sentences till the how you can learn. My dear friends, first of all you have to know make all the sentences. If you are studying ये हिंदी मीडियम school college, you can watch to me. I am I have to study as place where there is no one to speak in English. After 12th, my dear friends, we are thinking we must do and we must learn and we must improve our communication skill. We must improve my communication skill. I have think lot of us at this topic and we are doing practice and we are communication skill which you can watch to me today. We are you can watch some implement in myself, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are a learner, you must watch to me and you can learn lot of us. You have to need know and you must watch lot of people how they are connecting the word and how they are keeping how they are speaking front to you. You must know that at this talk. I think that if you set your mind that if you would set your mind that you have to think about that topic in which topic you want to spoke, my dear friends. If we are going market, if we are going to visit Ambedkar Park in Lucknow and I will think about of them, then I will get to speak. Otherwise we never get to speak about of that topic. As if you are going to talk of people, you have to think and you in your mind come thoughts what you would put up question front of your friends, front of your teacher. I think as in your mind already question are running what you have to keep your thoughts front of your front. You must know that at this time. I think you can do and you must do practice lot of us. If you want to change yourself, you can learn watching of people. You can learn to learn yourself and you can improve to do practice with your friends, with your family and with your teacher who is capable to understand your talk, my dear friends. You must know that if you think that there is no one I have how we can do practice, how we can keep of my thoughts, how we can overcome of my fear, my dear friends, you can put up your phone and you start make the video who are you getting speak and how you are get speak in your video. आप अपने वीडियो में क्या बोल पा रहे हैं आप उसको रिकॉर्ड करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए मेरे दोस्त. यदि आप ऐसा करेंगे आई थिंक दैट यू विल गेट अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर रॉन्ग एंड वेयर टाइप यू आर गेटिंग स्पीक. आप स्लो बोल रहे हैं या फास्ट बोल रहे हैं, कुछ सजेशन एंड कुछ हेल्प वहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा. यू हैव टू मेक सम हेल्प of that place. You must know that at this step. And I am saying always to you, if you know make of the sentences I think you will get speak well in your video, and you can talk with your friends if you know make of the sentences. यदि आप इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करना जानते हैं मेरे दोस्त, तो आई थिंक यह आपको बहुत मदद करेगा. ही विल डू लॉट ऑफ हेल्प टू यू. आई एम सेइंग टू यू अगेन एंड अगेन माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक दैट असफलता से वी मस्ट नॉट अफेयर. असफलता से मुझे घबराना नहीं चाहिए. आई थिंक दैट वन डे if you are achieving something in your field, you must and you can say openly with your friends, and for the public you always do, and you always give best for your work. If you are achieving something, if you have nothing to achieve in your life, but you can learn something, because I am saying to you my dear friends, social media can make king to you if you know that use right type. यदि आप सही तरीके से इसको यूज करना जानिए तब. अदरवाइज यू ऑलवेज टू वॉच ऑफ पीपल. आई थिंक यू मस्ट डू समथिंग एज which people would watch to you. And my dear friends, if you have something, you must share of the social media. If you can do, if you can suggest of people, you must start something in your life and you can do well in your life, my dear friends. I think you can change everything, and in your inside lot of potential, lot of activity you must show, and I hope you can do well. Making in this video last, I hope you can learn well here, my dear friends. I hope if you want to do well in your life, you have to need know do work at yourself. Lot of us, you can change your situation, direction and everything in your life who are you facing nowadays. So I hope you will do as, and you must do work at yourself. Lot of us.